What's up, guys? So I know it's been a minute, and I've been working on this fat boy. Just started this bike about a week ago, week and a half or so. Purchased this bike and just doing a full customization all around. And this is the other fat boy that I have. So this one's I'm done working on this one for a friend. So what I'm trying to get at, that's a breakout over there, boys. Breakout boys, what up? So right here I have the fork installation. I just wanted to kind of go over it a little bit because I'm not sure if some of you guys are familiar with this setup. This is a stock original, I believe they're 41 millimeter forks that come on the Fat Boy originally. And I'll be replacing the springs on here. I'm doing the drop-in lowering kit. So this is what the drop-in lowering kit looks like. So from here where it starts bending up to here, this is the distance, and the bike is much lower. Now if you look at this bike, the distance from here to here, this is the original setup. So this is what the Fat Boy has right here, and this is the clearance down there. Now as far as drop-in kit, is very simple. It has a few parts that you buy all together. It's from Progressive, but basically the springs are shorter, and then you have a PVC which you can cut to your own like, depending on how much you want to drop it. I believe 2 inches is the maximum that you can drop. Now so I did all the removal because I'm actually installing these chrome lower forks as well. The bike had really bad ones. The chrome was peeling everywhere, so I'll be installing these as well. To do the installation is simple. You got to purchase one of the kits, but basically for this fork you're gonna be using these. So the kit comes with all these, and basically the thicker one goes around the neck right here on this fork. You put that on there, then you have this inside the fork, so you have a small short spring as well. This spring goes inside there. You should have this little I don't know what it is, like plastic clip that it holds around, or like a washer or something like that. So you put it on there, and straightforward you're gonna throw it inside, and it should come down the other side. See, just like that. You do have a cap. You have a cap that you're gonna be installing, which is this one. I have everything lined up. So this is what the steps look like. So this thicker one right here goes on the neck. This one, and then all these. The last one is the clip. All these you're gonna have to put on the fork once you have the lower fork on the actual long fork. So this goes here. Then you have the lower fork. This is gonna go in through there, and it's gonna come out the other side. And you're gonna have to put the bolt in through there and tighten it up. This is what's gonna hold this part along to the long fork. So that's what it holds that. So once you have that installed, basically you just gonna start adding things on there. Once you have it installed, like, it's gonna look like this. It's not gonna be able to come out no more because it's gonna be held on by the bolt. So once you have a bolt on there, you're gonna start with this one. You're gonna slide this in there. You're gonna compress it. Once it's on there, you're gonna make it sit. Then after that, you have your spacer. So you put the spacer, and it goes in there as well. And lastly, you're gonna put this rubber one. You want to keep it up. This part goes up. This goes down. So it'll go this way, like this. You're gonna slide it in. Put it on there. And once you put that on there, basically everything will be sealed. You're gonna put your drop-in kit or your original stock spring. You're gonna drop it in there. You're gonna put some fluid. You're gonna drop it in there, put some fluid. I believe it's like 12 point something ounces that go in there. I'm not exactly sure. I would have to check. But once you put the fluid in there, you're gonna put the cap back on. Once you put this cap back on, that's basically it. That'll be your setup. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys a little bit what I'm working on right now. See, I got the carburetor over here. I got a bunch of stuff going on right now. Got parts everywhere. Upper forks. Got the rockers, upper and lower rockers. I'm changing the heads because everything on the chrome was bad, so this is what it looks like right now. So, got a lot of work, but oh yeah, putting a upgraded pump plate from S&S, and also, or Screaming Eagle, sorry. I'm going Screaming Eagle and Andrew 21s for the cams. So it's what it looks like right now. Alright guys, till next time, I'll be posting a little bit more updates as I work on that fat boy. It's a 2001. Alright, peace.